Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's videos, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for Redmi 9A. The first thing you have to do, make sure you have the correct tools to open it. Okay. You take out the SIM tray. Then you start to open it. You remove all the screw at the back. At the top here, you remove all the screw, and down here also you remove all the screw. Why you lose the downstairs down here is because there's connector you need to disconnect. This one is for the charging system. Disconnect it like this. Then you disconnect the battery to keep the motherboard safe. Disconnect the screen connector, this one. This the connector for the charging system connects to the LCD. You know, that's why you need to open down and disconnect it. Then from there you have to put in the machine at least for 10 minutes if you have the heat machine. After you take from the machine for 10 minutes, then you start open the screen. Always start when the crack is, you know. You make sure you clean all the glue right round. You clean it properly, all the glue right round before you remove it, at least so that you can fix the new screen very strong. Then you have to apply the new glue. You apply it right round. Be careful for the front camera, don't put it there, be careful. And don't put on the sensor. The sensor is on top here, there is a 2 hole here. The sensor there, don't put there, just put close to the sensor. You put the glue right round. After you finish, put all the glue right round. You fix the LCD. But make sure before you fix the LCD, you take out this plastic slowly, don't force it so you don't spoil the screen. You fix the LCD and make sure all those two cables, the one will pass here and the charging system one, the short one will pass this other side, the first side. So you pass this one first here. Make sure you go down there. Okay, and the other one you pass it the other side for the charging system. Then you close it. Okay. Okay. Then you fix the screen LCD. Make sure you fix it properly. Then you fix the charging system one down here. Make sure you fix it properly also. Then you fix the battery connector. The battery connector is the last one you always have to fix. Then you put the cover. Replace all the screw back. You put the down cover also, the ring gap. Make sure you replace all the screw. Make sure you replace all the screw. You now time to close it. You just put the start from the top. You press the top like this before you press the down side. You press right on. Then don't forget you replace the SIM tray also again. Then you on it. It's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.